Hello students, in this video we will see how can you get free license of AutoCAD for 1 year. Okay, the whole procedure, how to get the license, how to register on Autodesk, and then how to install the AutoCAD on your PC. So all those things we'll be seeing in this video. Let us start. So first of all, you need to go to Google and just search for AutoCAD for students. So after that, you just click on this first link. You will be directed to this page and then just wait for some time. At the right top corner, you will see the option of sign in. Just click on sign in and then click on create account. We will be creating an account on Autodesk. So enter all your details. So I had taken details of a student. Save it. Then verification is required. So for this, you need to go to your email ID, a verification email you would have received. Just see, click on this email and then click on verify email. So after that, you'll get this message account verified, redirecting. So you will be redirected to that first page that had been opened for the first time. After this, you search for AutoCAD. These are the products of Autodesk. Various products are there. So then go to AutoCAD, click on select. Then here you need to select this first option, student. Then these are the product details. Then customer details.